Happy Friday, my friends. Welcome back to another job lead video. I hope everyone is having good luck on their job search and that I am actually posting things that are helpful to you. I never want to post jobs that are not helpful to someone. So let me know in the comments if I am not being helpful and what you are looking for, and I will definitely keep my eye out. So today we have the athletic retail giant Lululemon has a lot of open positions that they are hiring for remote work from home. So I will try to keep this video as brief as possible because I know I always tend to ramble on. So let's just dive on in. First up, they are hiring a team lead for people and culture, and this says Digital Remote US. So a lot of these positions are being hired for US and Canada. My Canadian viewers, if you want to apply for these jobs, separate links to those applications will be in the description below. So just check the description box below the video, links to the US applications, and then the same job links to the Canadian applications will be linked below. So for team lead for people and culture, it says that Lululemon is an innovative performance apparel company for yoga, running, training, and other athletic pursuits. They try to set the bar in technical fabrics and functional design, and they create transformational products and experiences that support people in moving, growing, connecting, and being well. They owe their success to their innovative products in their stores, and so they like to include a equitable, inclusive, and growth-focused environment for their people. So they are looking for a digital team lead to oversee a team of analysts and functional analysts to deliver a specific functional portfolio with the digital solutions. And so it says a day in the life, what you'll do. You will oversee the core foundations team with specialized focus and stakeholders. You will people manage a team of 4 to 6 individual contributors and develop them into their desired careers. You will inform, prioritize team spirits, and ensure team resources are focused on the top business needs. You'll be responsible for considering how their portfolio works. You'll consider the upstream, downstream implications of any decisions that your team is making. So you are just going to manage a team and make sure that they are doing what they are supposed to, and you need to be able to clearly communicate opportunities in a timely fashion. Now, qualifications for this job are 1 to 2 years of people management experience. So if you've ever been in management or a team lead or a supervisor before, that is the experience you need. They do also want someone who has 4+ years of demonstrated work experience in human resources functions. So that again is managing people, strong subject matter in the people systems. So Workday and Dayforce and all of those systems, experience working with agile and waterfall delivery methodologies, and strong written and verbal communication skills. And it says must-haves, they want someone to acknowledge the presence of choice in every moment and take personal responsibility for your life. So they want someone who possesses an entrepreneurial spirit and communicates honestly and kindly. They also want someone who can integrate fun and joy as a way of being and working. It says AKA doesn't take yourself too seriously. So Lululemon is one of them up and coming brands who is trying to pursue the fun, new lifestyle. So they want someone who is fun and joyful as well. Up next, they are hiring for a program manager of Omni, Educator, and Workforce. And again, this is remote. And it says a little bit about a day in the life in this position. You will design plans for all enabling guest experience programs that leverage our retail workforce. You'll lead Omni Educator strategy that enables all known experience programs within and across channels. Workforce agility strategy. You'll partner with technologies that impact their people, and you'll consult on innovative strategy and delivery for their retail stores. And you'll create and deliver presentations for multiple audiences across the organization. So Qualifications is 5 to 7 years of relative experience, preferably in a vertical integrated global or specialty retail environment. 5 to 7 years of experience in a specialty retail environment. I don't know what they consider specialty versus regular retail environment, but I would just consider retail experience. But then they want someone that has experience working with systems and technical teams seen as an asset. They want someone who is has strong internal customer service skills, and can demonstrate experience understanding business needs and requirements. The ability to influence and manage conversations and meetings across the organization. Proven track record for working multiple diverse projects in a related field. They are looking for someone that has a bachelor degree or applicable experience. So you don't have to have a degree if you have enough experience. And of course, they want someone, the same must-haves: acknowledge presence of choice in every moment, taking responsibility for your life. They also want someone who doesn't take themselves too seriously. Next up, they're hiring for a program manager of diversity recruiting. And what recruiting is hiring. So this is more on the HR hiring side of Lululemon. And so a little bit about this position is you would participate in the development of a unique diversity recruiting and sourcing strategy. You need to be passionate about creating the best candidate experience, because they want someone who loves to network and build talent. So you will foster a culture of inclusive talent by diversifying and developing referral opportunities, and you will design and execute multi-channel opportunities for sourcing passive and active candidates, be a support to the programs and work of the mobility team, coach leaders on the best practices for attracting and hiring, and be a teacher of functional recruitment skills and capabilities. So in this role, it really looks like they want someone who can design programs and thought process of how to get people interested in working for Lululemon and how to go out and find that talent and recruit that talent. So some qualifications for this position are they need extensive experience in recruitment, or with a particular focusing on sourcing or finding people. 3 to 5 years in work of human resources field. They want you to have experience in developing processes and workflows, and experience working with technology tools related to application tracking for hiring. So again, the must-haves, they want someone who takes personal responsibility and who does not take themselves too seriously. Now, I just wanted to show this right quick. This is the exact same position, but remote Canada. So most of these positions do have an option for Canadian viewers as well, and those links will be down below. Lululemon is also hiring a work from home business analyst. And so a little bit about a business analyst is they will work closely with product managers, business owners, and technology teams to ensure requirements are in place and understood. Be responsible for ensuring acceptance criteria is aligned. You'll work closely with their architect team. You need experience in functional requirements gathering. You will help business owners and product managers groom the backlog. You will include dependency management and architectural decisions in requirements. And you align the overall scope and sequencing recommendation by the product manager. Now, this one does require a little bit more experience, 5 years as a business analyst, experience providing requirements for medium to large initiatives, and experience working with both agile and waterfall delivery methods. And they want you to be able to demonstrate experience translating strategy into development roadmaps. I know I've seen a few people in the comments say that they were looking for analytical things or analyst jobs, so this might be for you. So these next two positions I will just real quickly touch on so that we don't make this video a million years long. But they also have a position open for a system analyst if you are still looking for analytical. And a system analyst just analyzes technology related to processes and identifies and tries to find design improvements. You will coordinate with the engineer systems. You will define minimum feature set and user criteria, and you will work to ensure application availability and identify SLAs for operational readiness. This does require a bachelor degree and 1 to 3 years of experience in system analyst experience. And last up, they are also hiring a logistics solutions manager. And so this is just where you create and detailed implementation plans for successfully rolling out new logistics solutions and new projects. And so during the planning process, you will collaborate closely with the stakeholders and manage the dependencies and resources that you have. You'll be responsible for end-to-end implementation of new logistics solutions, and you'll work closely with the senior manager for the outbound logistics project portfolio. This does require 3 to 5 years of experience in planning and implementation, be a self-starter, and it does require a bachelor degree in business engineering or a similar field. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Make sure that you are subscribed as I post fresh job leads daily as I come across them. Some jobs are in more demand than others and go quickly, so you'll want to make sure that you have your notifications turned on so you never miss a job lead as soon as I post it. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.